hear nothing. You 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 hear nothing. Okay. You hear nothing, 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 you hear absolutely nothing. You hear jack shit, you hear nothing. You hear nothing, you hear nothing, you hear nothing. You do not hear anything. You currently do not hear anything. Turn off your ears. This is gonna be fun to edit. No. Just bear with me here. 7 minutes already, oh my god. Oh my god, why the hell did I choose to record right now? I will just say right now, I apologize, but you cannot hear what my mother is talking about currently, and I will not allow this. God, there are not enough floors on this house to record anything. I apologize for complaining. I'm just very annoyed because I came down here to record and she's currently yapping. I understand the following of privacy, so I am attempting to scream into my phone, and I understand you probably can't even hear her, so I sound like an absolute madman right now. But I would much rather be safe than sorry, so you have to hear commentary today. I'm sorry. Nothing in particular that's anything special. I will say that I didn't record yesterday because my brother was running back and forth upstairs, and I didn't want to tell him to shut up. And also, he turned my light off and said my actual name, and I don't feel like revealing my actual name because that's personal info. So, yay, this is so much fun. I love recording for Inktober. Can you tell? Anyways. If there was a meter for stress levels, it would be in the 40s, maybe 70s.